Hello and welcome. My name is Ajay Naik. I am co-founder of UI5CN. With us we have Vipul. Vipul has more than 5 year experience on working with robotics and IoT. And in this course, Vipul is going to teach us hack the Arduino. And I have gone through this course, and this is what I believe the #1 course in the world to learn IoT. So Vipul, welcome to our studio.
Thank you, Ajay, for calling me in the studio.
So I see that you are working with a lot of hardwares and you have kept this course very technical. I'm very excited that this course has turned out to be wonderful. So tell me, Vipul, how this fascination of IoT and hardware actually started?
Ajay, actually, hardware is not a very new thing to me. I'm very much fascinated and excited about hardware from my childhood itself. Because I feel like hardware is the thing which actually interacts with the real world. If you talk about software also, how software or any machine interacts with the real world. Software interacts with the real world via hardware only. Let's take one example. You want to find out the presence of any human or anybody inside this room. So how you can do that? Either you will put some CCTV camera in the room, or you will put PIR sensor. So all those things are hardwares. So hardware is the thing which actually interacts with the real-time world. Then we process that particular data, and we give back it to the actuators and perform actions again in the real world. How hardware works integratedly and seamlessly. So that is the main thing which excites me.
One other thing which I would like to ask is you are working on, you have actually co-founded this company, IoT Intercon. So do you believe that in the current market scenarios, learning IoT or the courses which you are, the topics you are covering in these courses, how it is related to the real world application?
So if we'll talk about IoT, the name itself predicts like Internet of Things. So what we are doing here is we are integrating large number of sensors and actuators putting together. Let's take one more example. In our healthcare sector, in education sector, in finance sector, what we are doing, we are moving to digital world and everything is going to be digitalized. So we are integrating so many machines. We are putting more and more sensors to those machines and the surrounding environment, so that we can get more data and we can interconnect these things and make this world more livable and connected world.
So one of the questions which I have in regards to this course is what is the benefit to our users or viewers who are taking this course? By the end of this course, what they will be achieving or what they will be actually learning in this course. Can you elaborate on that?
Sure, Ajay. First, I'll tell you, if anybody wants to start working on hardware or on IoT related things, so I'll suggest, like, according to me, this Arduino is the #1 platform you can use, because it is very simple to use. It is very much powerful. So many capabilities and functionalities it has. And it is readily available in the market. It is very affordable. So due to its features and capabilities, we can integrate a lot of things using Arduino, and we can start working on IoT devices. This is the basic thing which I want to tell, like why Arduino. Now coming to the course content, first we start with the beginning, LED blinking. After that we make stepper motor, how stepper motor we can connect to Arduino, how we can control stepper motors via Arduino, and then we make line follower robot.
So we are making a robot within the course?
Yes. This is also
Very
an exciting thing. We are making a robot, and we are really hacking this hardware. All the things are open, so we are actually making our own Arduino on this breadboard. So you can customize your own Arduino and you can customize your own electronic project.
So I think what you're trying to say is we can actually make this Arduino within the breadboard itself?
Yes, exactly. I want to say the same thing, Ajay.
So I think it's very exciting. I'm very excited. But one question I have is there's so many hardwares and components I can see. for someone taking this course, how difficult is to really get in hands onto all the components?
I'll say this is a very good question, Ajay, because I remember my days also when I started working on hardware. So at that time, I also faced this kind of problem, like while we are doing work on hardwares. So where to get the components and how to hook up the components together, and some components are not compatible with each other. So I have learned from my experiences and kept all the steps really simple and generalized, so we can use the components also which I am using in the course are very common and readily available in local electronic stores. And additionally, I have provided links also where you can buy those components online portals. There's one more thing in this course. The components which I'm using in the course are not vendor specific. You can use any component like this and build the project.
So what I can see is there are so many things to really do from just a simple Arduino. I can see that within this course we have created also a autonomous robot which is a line follower, and I will be very excited to enroll in this course and learn from it. So thank you, Vipul. Thank you for teaching us so many wonderful things.
Thank you, Ajay. Thank you for calling me.